Let's open another 10 packs of Surging Sparks. Alright, we have a little more than a week until the release of Ascended Heroes, and I am so excited to open that pack set. Like, I want to see all the English cards, I want to see the artwork, and I want to see the pulls. And I want to see the pull rate, where I think genuinely this is going to be such a good set, but I think it's going to be such a hard set to get my hands on. So I'm probably going to do a little small, like, openings here and there of Ascended Heroes, but we'll have to see. I'm still focused on Phantasmal Flames. Make sure to like and follow for the last 10 packs of Surging Sparks.